What's up, guys? If your Ram 1500 bed is a total mess, tools rolling around, gear getting soaked, nothing where it should be, a proper toolbox fixes all of that in one shot. Whether you're a tradesman, overlander, or weekend warrior, there's an option on this list for you. Links to everything are down in the video description. Let's break it down. Starting at number 5 with the TruXedo TonneauMate, and this one plays by different rules. Instead of sitting across the top of your bed, it clamps to the side rails underneath your tonneau cover, so your entire bed floor stays open for cargo. Holds up to 200 pounds, locks from the top, and can be positioned anywhere, front, middle, or rear. Works as a toolbox, a cooler, or a general storage bin. Made in the USA, backed by a 2-year no-hassle guarantee. Perfect if you already run a tonneau cover. At number 4, Dee Zee's red label double lid, also called a gull-wing box, opens from both sides, which is a game changer when you're parked tight against a wall or another vehicle. The crowned lid resists flexing and warping over time. Gas shocks hold it open, hands-free, and the closed cell foam gasket keeps water and dust out. Stainless steel paddle handles, a removable tool tray inside, and a gloss black powder coat finish that actually looks sharp. Built tough and priced right for the quality you're getting. Number 3 is decked. And this isn't a toolbox, it's a full bed transformation. 2 full-length drawers slide out from the tailgate, giving you easy access to everything, while the flat deck on top still handles up to 2,000 pounds of cargo. Weatherproof seals keep out car wash spray and dust, and the whole system is made in the USA from recycled high-density polyethylene on a galvanized steel frame, guaranteed for life. Comes loaded with organizer accessories right out of the box. If you live out of your truck bed, this is the one. Coming in at number 2, FORWODE's aluminum diamond plate box is your straightforward, no-nonsense crossover option. The gas strut lid opens smoothly with one hand and stays up on its own. No propping, no slamming. The overlapping lid design sheds water reliably, and the internal lock with 2 keys keeps your gear secure. Lightweight aluminum means it won't add much dead weight to your bed, and it pulls double duty as a garage or workshop storage box when it's not on the truck. Multiple sizes available to match your exact bed width. And the top spot goes to UWS. What sets this apart is the patented rigid core lid, foam-filled between 2 aluminum sheets, so it won't warp, bind, or flex over years of daily use. The low-profile design keeps your rear cab window view clear, self-opening struts hold the lid up when your hands are full, and a micro-seal gasket locks out moisture, dirt, and even insects. Built-in screwdriver holders and a 3-compartment sliding tray keep small items organized. Assembled in the USA, available in multiple sizes. The most refined crossover box on this list. And that's the 5 best toolboxes for your Ram 1500. From a compact undercover storage solution all the way up to a full bed drawer system, there's something here for every kind of truck owner. All the links are right there in the video description. Go check out which one fits your setup. If this helped you out, smash that subscribe button. More Ram content drops every week. Catch you in the next one.